Hello again, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel. Call me a fan of flyers because I like pie lots, Valvo. And speaking of flying, today we're going to be talking about the coordinate plane. Is this cool as, let's say, a fighter jet plane? Yes. Let's get going. Let's start off with the number line. We should all already know about number lines, so let's get comfortable. The number line is essentially one axis, which I'll call the x-axis here. It extends infinitely in both directions and has every possible x value on it, from -5 to pi to a billion to any real number you can think of and a lot you can't. We say it's one-dimensional because it only has one dimension, x. If I give you one number, the x-coordinate, you know exactly where you are on the line. So this point, for example, is at x equals 2, and we only need one